We have decided to spend the weekend at Bato Springs Resort at San Pablo City, Laguna. It took us almost an hour of travel from Santo Tomas, Batangas to San Pablo City. When we arrive at the gate, they have already collected our entrance fees amounting to 300 pesos each if it's overnight, and if it's day tour, it's 200 pesos. And kids under 3 years old, it's free. When we're actually in, we tried asking some of the employees at Bato Springs if there is an available AC room, but then they mentioned that they're already fully booked. And since it's already very late, we just tried to search and call a lot of resorts if there are any available rooms for us. And we actually found this resort. It's called Villa Gregoria. We only paid 3,000 pesos for our room. It's queen size with a pull-out bed, and there's a comfort room for us. After putting all our things in our room, they already decided to prepare the meal, and we just ate. Actually, that's already lunch and dinner. Basically, we just enjoyed our food, have a bit of a rest, and we went on night swimming.
Gusto mo na makita? Grabe niya. Sabi niya, sumayaw pa siya sa tinitigil ko. Sabi. Oo.
Ayan yung babae. Alam, parang yung
tayo. 1, 2, 3, go. Si Margaret. 1, 2, 3, go. Boom!
Wow! You don't want to go.
Smile and say, welcome to Rubidas. Welcome to go swimming.
I'm gonna swim.
One.
Margaret, Marco.
Slide dito, slide dito.
Come here, come here. Ayaw niyang
Slowly. Si Margaret, si Margaret.
Dali, go, go, go. Oh, wait mo muna, Margaret. Wait lang muna si Marco. Ay, bakit daw mahamak na? Go, hold here.
Margaret, wait. Wait, wait. No, don't hold.
Just like that, Marco. Just like that.
Marco, wow, it's nice. Loko ka. Wow. Kahit di ko nakikita.
You want to see Daddy slide? Marco, wait for Daddy. Wait, watch Daddy si ate. Oh, Daddy is here. Oh, come here. Oh. Why? You don't want to slide na? Let's go home na. Mami naman, Mami slide. Pigilan mo, babalintong ka talaga dito. Bawal nga daw yung short.
Margaret.
Dalay lang. I'll teach you. Later.
Daddy, malalim na dito si Mark.
Hindi na kayo nagsunod. Nalagkagami, dito ka lang.
Oh no!
Uy! Ang galing ah. Oh, look at ate.
Look at ate, look at ate. Okay.
Uy!
So, one more. 1, 2, 3.
Like that.
How about Marco? 1,
Like
2,
that, Marco.
3. How about Marco? Margaret again. 1, 2, 3, go.
Hello!
Marco!
Sige nga.
Ay! Oh no!
No, malalim. Yak!
Margaret! Again. Look at the camera. 1, 2, 3, go!
Oh no. Ito pala to. As a driving person,
As a passenger.
dashcam na lumilingon sa ano, sa view. Jollibee. Oh, smile. Smile. Oh, okay na.